Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make smoothie with banana. Start by peeling one ripe banana and chopping it into chunks. Add 1 cup of milk or plant milk and 1/2 cup of yogurt for cream. Toss in a handful of ice or 1/2 cup frozen berries to chill. Blend on high for 45 to 60 seconds until smooth, then taste and adjust sweetness with honey or maple syrup. Try flavor combos to keep things interesting and nutritious. Blend banana with 1 tablespoon peanut butter and a splash of vanilla for a dessert-style drink. Or add 1 tsp cinnamon and a pinch of salt to highlight sweetness without extra sugar. For green boosts, throw in 1/2 cup spinach or a few kale leaves. The banana masks the greens while giving fiber and vitamins in every sip. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and give the video a like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. I recently enjoyed a book called The Simple Path to Wealth that shifts how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with planning grocery budgets for smoothie ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals to save while you shop, and now let's get back to the video. Texture and nutrition balance matter for a satisfying smoothie. Frozen banana pieces make the drink thick and creamy without ice dilution, while yogurt or protein powder adds body and nutrition. If you want a lighter option, use water or coconut water as the base. Taste before adding sweeteners to avoid extra sugar, and consider seeds like chia for fiber and a subtle nutritional boost without changing flavor drastically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.